Index maintenance is an integral part of performance optimization. When we have different and multiple databases under different servers, we will have difficulty in maintaining all of them. With dbWatch's cross-platform feature, you can easily monitor any database, be it MS SQL servers or Postgres servers. You can see all job status under one view. Control Center champions on index maintenance. It catches potential problems before it happens, as seen with unvacuumed tables in your Postgres database. With its table and index below job, you can catch wasted memory under one screen. No need to script it in your database. You are also warned if table's memory is not flushed properly. Using dbWatch's query tool, you can write down your own query. Without leaving dbWatch, your query is executed in your database. You can check if changes apply by rerunning the job again, or you can check your database for details with the same query tool. You can also calibrate the job's parameters to your own organization's preference. Similar to flushing out queries, rebuilding indexes is another feature dbWatch Control Center has. You can check your SQL servers and see which instances are not optimized. This gives you flexibility to automatically fix any problem before they appear. With dbWatch Control Center, you can know your database indexes has been rebuilt without leaving the comfort of one window. The power of dbWatch Control Center tool that can provide a straightforward to any of your database servers. With dbWatch, you have full control over your database servers under one application. dbWatch Control Center, redefining database operations. Visit our website to learn more.